my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexa's here with Modesty. Today I have my IPSY, and I think this is a premium bag. So if you're interested in seeing what I got, please stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. I hope you're having a good day. Well, I received my IPSY, so I'm happy about that. And so anyway, I want to share with you what I received. But before we do that, what do? Yep, our affirmation for the day. Are you ready? Okay, let's see what we have. Oh, a cute card. I am living in alignment with my purpose. Interesting. I am living in alignment with my purpose. There we go. That's a very interesting card. Wow, I don't know what to say about that. I am living in, what does that even mean? I am living in alignment with my purpose. Well, you know what? To help us out, let's go to the questions in the back because I really don't know what this means. What have I accomplished lately that really resonated with my soul? Oh, I got it. And how can I strive for more moments like that? Here you go. Okay, simply put, the way I get this is, are you being true to yourself? That's what it's saying. But in a fancy way, I am living in alignment with my purpose, right? Am I being true to myself? You know, that's a very interesting question because a lot of people out there aren't. And I think, no fault of theirs, but sometimes there are expectations put on them by others, external forces that actually makes you go in a direction that you may not be comfortable with. Or maybe you are comfortable with it, but it's not your true purpose, right? You're not being true to yourself. And it is so important to be true to yourself. And I remember my dad used to tell me, he was just like a philosopher. And he used to say, always, can you look at yourself in a mirror? And if you can answer yes, then you're okay. You go in the right direction. And so you hear that. That's common, right? Can you look at, at least I can look at myself in a mirror and you wonder, okay, what does that mean? That I have no shame, but also, are you living the life that you want to live? Are you living in alignment with your purpose? What is your purpose? If it's to get to point D from A, but somebody, divert you and says, well, stay on B for a little while, then no need to do D. You may be heading that way, but it's still slowing you down, right? And it's because ultimately, I think human nature would make it that you are always going to strive for your true purpose. And until you're in that motion or until you get there, you may not be happy. And so, unhappiness could be related to the fact that it doesn't resonate with your soul of who you are. And so it's really important that you're true to yourself. Do what you feel is right. Do what your soul says for you to do. Okay? And so this is very interesting. So this is a good one. I am living in alignment with my purpose. So you guys, that's a good affirmation to do. And, really think about if you really are. And if not, what can you do about it to really realign yourself? Okay? Alrighty then. That's that. That's that. I'm channeling my daughter again. That's that. Okay, so that is that. Okay, so now I have I keep saying so. You notice how many so's? It's like when people, I used to be, what is that? Toastmasters about, talking and speaking. And a lot of people would say, and that was never my problem. It was more like, so. Yeah, anyway. Let me see if I could not say that word, but it's really hard. Anyway, so I had this IPSY bag, and I wanted to open it. And then the thing is, though, I noticed it was kind of like, how it's really hard to open, but it was like it really stuck really good. So I'm hoping it's not missing anything. So look how it opens. Okay, part of this is stuck good. I guess the other side wasn't. Okay, and so here I go again. I have just this bag and nothing else. Must mean that everything fits. So yes, definitely this is the Glam Plus, okay? Ooh, I like this bag. Have fun, love, yes. Oh my God. And peace. Okay. I really like this bag. It's very cute. And it does have the IPSY label here, which I always appreciate. And let's see what's in here. Let's open it up. Okay, the first thing that pops out at me is a set of brushes. Okay, brushes are always good, right, guys? I mean, I love brushes, but these look pretty interesting. But you know what? I forgot about the card. I forget about it because, you know, I mean, it doesn't have anything that you got in there, right? Because there's so many variations to it. But it is a card that has the Bold Beauty Challenge, and it has rules and I guess how you try coral, try rose gold, try white, try glitter, try neon. So I guess it's a, you know, for you to do different things. Hey, I might keep this. This might be a good challenge thing to do. Yeah. And then it says, get your friends a free palette. Oh, that's that, you know, bring your friends aboard and then you get a free palette. They get a free palette. So it says, I'm going to read this. Do you, if I can see it, hold on 1 minute. Sorry about that. Do you, bold moves only. This month, amp up everything that makes you happy. Glitter liners, rainbow accents, and celebrate the beauty that comes from being you. Get into this month's theme at ipsy.com/do you, June 2021. Okay. Yep, there it is. And I'm going to go ahead and keep this card because there are some challenges. Maybe we can make it into a challenge. I can get a collab. Yeah, Stephanie, are you listening? So anyway, so yeah, we can do that. And let's see what I have. Oh, I did already I digress. Okay, this is a set of brushes. And I wonder why it's in this kind of plastic. It's kind of weird. Yeah, it's already torn, so, okay. And here it is. Half of it fell. Hold on 1 second. I have to go down and get it because it's on the floor. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Okay, here are a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 brushes. Nice. I wonder why this one doesn't have a plastic. Or did I take it off when I pulled it out? Yeah, I think I did. Sure, I did. There it is. And anyway, these are fluffy. These are nice. You know, when they come like these glitter type of things, I always think, you know, I don't know, this is something that should go into like a child's Barbie kit. But actually, some of these brushes are really nice. And, you know, I collect brushes. So, you know, I think I'm going to go ahead and keep these. I say that, and then later on, I put it in a giveaway. And so it looks like we have a foundation brush by the shape of it, but you could probably use it for liquid bronzer. This looks like a cheek brush. And then you have a fluffy eyeshadow, you have a crease, and you have a packing brush. So yeah, definitely very nice and very cute. Look at this. Huh. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and keep that. It doesn't fit any more brushes. I have 20 million of them there. So, okay, and I'll go ahead and try to put it back in there later. Okay, next. So far, so good. Next. Really? Another brush. I think this was my choice, though. Yeah, it was. And you know what? Look at this. This is pretty interesting because you know how there's it's by Farah, and it's a double-sided, which I don't care for really. But you know, I think I like the Farah brushes, and that's the reason. The only thing I don't like about this is that once you take this off, you know how you can slide it from the if it's one-sided, you can slide it easily. I wonder how you put this back on. That's weird. And it is very, oh my goodness, it is very soft. Very soft. And definitely, this is something I would use for, I have a Kat Von D brush that's kind of sort of like that, but one side is angled. And what I do is I go ahead and put my contour from the thin side, and I use this side to blend. And so this is very welcome. I'm just going to have to put it away in a certain kind of way, like I do my Kat Von D brush, laying down in a container so that way it doesn't get ruined by trying to standing it up. Okay, so, okay, not bad. Okay, 2 sets of brushes. And next is, okay, this was my choice. It's by Viseart. I love Viseart. Viseart is made in the United States. And surprisingly, you know, some people don't know about Viseart, that it is a high-end palettes. And these are artistry. Makeup artists love them. And so they come in a sleeve, most of them, because I have like tons of them here. I have the Petite Fours. And I have other ones, you know, by Viseart sitting right there because I do like it. That's what I usually use on an everyday basis. And so this one here is, I think this is the Petite Pro Deux, D-E-U-X, Deux, okay? Which means 2, yeah? And so here it is. And just like everything, all of their Viseart ones, they're the same. And it comes with the, you see it's got a lip on it. And here are the shades. beautiful shades. I can't wait to use this one. If I didn't have a look on right now already, I probably would do one for you, being that I have brushes and now I have this Viseart. But I just did this look for another video, so not happening. Okay, so anywho, here we go. Beautiful. I really like this. Okay, that's good. Okay, looks like I got another, another palette. It's a Navigate the World from Your Own True North, Otherworldly. It's by Fluid, and it is a 8-pan palette, 8-shade palette. There it is. This was not my choice. I guess this is what came. That was choice from that. Whoa, this is going into the giveaway for sure, because it would be wasted on me. But very cute. It says, express your otherworldly self, make up the rules. You get it? Make up the rules, makeup. And cute little mirror. And here are the shades. You see why? I mean, I don't do glitter, and I don't think I should ruin the palette for like 3 of the colors that I may use. The green and this purple glitter, I just can't use it. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put this in for the future giveaways for sure. Because I do have Fade in Hue for these bright colors by Colourpop, so I don't need this one. And it did come in a nice little sleeve. So I'm gonna put this aside for a giveaway. And then next, I have another eyeshadow palette. Are you serious? Okay, another eyeshadow palette. And this is Real Her, Dream So Big. And I am definitely not going to open this because, look, it comes sealed, actually. It comes sealed. And I had this palette already. I just recently gave it away in a giveaway. And these shades are very similar to a lot of my Natasha Denona palettes. I think this was close to my bronze palette. And so I'm not going to use it. I'm not even going to bother opening it. And this is sealed. So yeah. Wow. 3 palettes. Okay. And that's it, guys. So I got the Real Her palette. I got this Otherworldly palette. And I got the Viseart palette. This is the one I chose and I'm keeping. And I got the Farah double-sided brush. This was also my choice. And I also received these brushes, which I guess came with it. It was in my choice. And I think that's it, right, guys? Yep, that's it. Okay, not bad, not bad. I mean, I wish, yeah, it's okay. I just got this one too. So I think it was, I don't think they would send it to me twice, but I think it came in BoxyCharm maybe. Yeah, so 2 beautiful, but they're nice. So these palettes will go into a future giveaway, okay? Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, that's it. And thank you so very much for joining me for my unboxing of IPSY. And I really look forward to your comments. Just putting it out there. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers. Do have a good day, a good night, a good week, a good weekend, whenever you're watching this. It doesn't matter. Just don't sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.